Hello everyone, this is Astha Jain and I warmly welcome you in today's interview session. Today we are going to talk about the real estate market in Hyderabad. For that, we have the franchisee expert and the regional director of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Sudhir Chakravarti with us. So, welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for having me here, Asta.
Yes, sir. So, sir, my first question to you is that can you describe the real estate market in Hyderabad?
Yeah, as you all know, real estate means assets, sales, and buying. So, what Hyderabad has is a mixture of properties like apartments, villas, open plots, which is little unique if you compare with any other metros like Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi. These kind, if you compare with Chennai, if you compare with these kind of cities, Hyderabad has a lot of open plot land bank. This is like a USP for Hyderabad real estate. So why I am stressing open plots was as Hyderabad has got 360 degrees of expanding capacity, so a lot of developers are going for open plots. So if any employee, if they want to buy a piece of land, even for 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs, the only metro city where you can choose is Hyderabad. Because of this reason, real estate in Hyderabad is always prosperous.
So, sir, how is it beneficial to invest in the real estate for Hyderabad?
It depends on scale of investment, Asta. For example, if they want to invest in commercial spaces, like if they want to buy 10,000 or 1 lakh square feet and they want to give it for lease, Hyderabad is best suitable because it has got huge software companies. In that way, it is suitable. Secondly, if they want to invest in land and if they want to give it for a development, even it is very much suitable because it has got pharmacy, software, and cine industry as well in South India, one of the biggest cine industry. And if they want to invest for rentals, it is almost now 1.3 crore population. So obviously it has a huge demand for rentals. So Hyderabad, if you think of investing in Hyderabad, it is always a positive one.
Okay, sir. So, sir, can you please tell me that how the real estate is in Hyderabad is different from other real estates, like in other
As
cities?
earlier, the major difference is it has got huge open plot market. Second is it is very well connected with road, rail, and air,
Okay.
and it is kind of a central part of South India. So from Hyderabad to any other metros, it is very easily we can go from Hyderabad and to and fro from Hyderabad. So it has got a unique, better opportunities. See, for example, if you think of Mumbai, it goes one way. So if someone want to go for Mumbai, it is like in a corner. Chennai, even for Kolkata. But Hyderabad, it is kind of a central place. Mumbaikars can come, Chennaites, Bangaloreans, or Kolkata people. It is kind of a central part. So all investors are looking for a easy access, and ease of doing business in real estate is very much profitable in Hyderabad because as it has got a huge land bank without any obstruction. So any investment in real estate is always prosperous. No builder ever faced, legally I'm saying, faced any
Mhm.
issues that they have bankrupt because of Hyderabad real estate. Because it is always inviting kind of a thing.
Okay.
Second, why the difference of real estate between other cities and Hyderabad is promoting and projecting itself like a global city. Because of that, the Telangana government is promoting new infrastructure, and with that infrastructure, real estate market is growing. So it is like going in two parallel lines. So that's
Mhm.
one beauty because if you see Hyderabad, if you observe, west part of Hyderabad is very much is New Hyderabad. It is Cyberabad. Top-notch technology is being using in that part of city. So because of that, people are getting attracted. See, whoever in any metro city, to attract highly skilled people, they are looking for top-class infrastructure and very good connectivity. Either it might be the roads, rails, or air. It has got good connectivity. It has got global infrastructure, and because of that, they are attracting highly skilled people to Hyderabad, and they are setting up a huge companies. I mean, a lot of startups are becoming huge success in 3-4 months also because of the initiatives taken by Telangana government. They have added T-Hub kind of things where if someone promotes a startup and if it gets attracted, people are ready to invest there. Because of that, employment is creating and real estate is obviously growing parallelly to that.
Okay. So can you tell me that how the GROB has helped you in the expansion of real estate market in Hyderabad?
See, Hyderabad is kind of a city which adopts to the new technologies.
Okay.
Be a global city, we need up-to-date technology. So as we are speaking about real estate, whatever the technology in the real estate, Regrow is pioneer in that. So because of Regrow, and maybe we can say that Regrow is also adding value to Hyderabad in making global city. So we are providing technology and doing real estate in an organized way where a lot of investors from abroad apart from Hyderabad. I mean, like if someone want to invest from Delhi, they need trusted partners and they should have a technology. And Hyderabad need technology and should real estate in an organized way. So Regrow is solving that unorganized part and adding technology to the Hyderabad city in real estate business. So in this way, we are, as Regrow, I am saying, we are giving our part of work in making Hyderabad a global city. In our industry, we are contributing to that.
Okay. So my last question and for you is that what changes have been seen in the Hyderabad real estate since last 15 years?
It's like adverse changes because 15 years back, they have just started the software thing.
Okay.
So Hyderabad was like a town kind of thing where we don't have modern infrastructures. At that time, Bombay, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi are the 4 major cities in India. Whoever, I mean, as an Indian, we used to see only these 4 cities. After introduction of software and pharma, Hyderabad and Bangalore came into limelight. And Hyderabad has a USP of a huge land bank. Because of that, whatever construction they are doing now, it is on par with the global cities. So in the view of becoming a global city, from 15 years to now, they have transformed like a complete city. I mean, like you can say, if you go to old Hyderabad, like Secunderabad or old Hyderabad, you can feel the flavor of 400 years old Hyderabad. And in the same way, if you go to West Hyderabad, you can feel the development of New York City kind of thing, Manhattan kind of thing. So maybe if you live in Hyderabad, you can tell the entire old India, new India, and futuristic India all put together is what Hyderabad is.
Well, that was a great vision of you, and thank you for enlightening us about the Hyderabad real estate, Sudhir. It was really the great chat with you. So this was the end for this interview, and thank you so much for being with us and telling us about the Hyderabad real estate and how Regrow has helped in the expansion of that. So thank you for being with us.
My pleasure, Asta. Thank you.
We'll be seeing you soon in the next round for the interview. Till then, please take care.
Thank you.
And bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.